I'm here with Andy and KnKut, my favorite drilling bits. They're not only from our hometown, but they do such a phenomenal job in the shop. You've seen me use it on Sam's Garage, and I love their paste. What you got new this year?
So we have USA-made industrial quality drill bits and cutting tools for automotive repair, fabrication, body shops. That's all that we do. We've been in business 40 years.
Family owned.
Family owned. We're a Georgia-based company. So some of the newer products that we have this year is we've introduced a cobalt line for stainless steel drilling. It also has a full hex shank on it. Instead of just 3 flats on the shank, it's got a hex shank all the way, so that keeps it from slipping inside of the chuck. So if you're doing a lot of work in stainless steel, this is the tool that you need to have.
There's nothing worse than cutting through stainless steel. Let me tell you, it takes such a long time.
Go slow and use cutting fluid.
Yeah, that way you save your bit and it lasts a lot longer.
Absolutely, and that's what we preach. We try to put a good quality product in your hands, but we also want to teach how to use the product and what applications it's used for. And one of the things that kills your drill bits, or cutting tools for that matter, is heat. So if you can cut the heat down by using a cutting fluid, a cutting paste, like a wax base, this is going to keep the heat coefficient down, and it's going to make your drill bits last a whole lot longer.
And it's not going to drip when you're drilling up.
That's right. You can use it upside down. It'll actually collect some of the chips too, and it won't run on you. But we still have the traditional stuff as well.
That's a game changer. I love that. Now, if you guys are doing any cutting at home, you're drilling holes, you got to check out KnKut. In my opinion, they make the best drill bits on the market, and they're family owned, still made right here in America.